Hello friends, welcome to Wealth Creation Strategy channel. Today we will discuss how to get first 50,000 worth of profitable trade in first 1 hour. I would therefore request you to watch the video till the end so that you can capture all the silent features of the strategy and the charting pattern. Before we proceed further, I would like you to see the standard disclaimer which reads as point number 1, this is for educational purpose only and not advised to enter the trade now as the trades are already over. The past performance is no guarantee of future performance. And other points from point number 3 to 9, you can refer to our Facebook page where all the points from 1 to 9 are being listed every day. Now let us come to the actual charting software and see where the trades are generated and how much profit it is giving. Now this software has a scanner which runs automatically. You just simply have to change the date and press the scan button and it runs like this. See, it scans all the scripts which are there in the watch list and the output is being listed here. So the first trade here is Bank Nifty short. Bank Nifty short doesn't meet our trading rules, and so it is not enterable. But see the reverse trade here. Reverse trade at this arrow. See with the arrow here, I will encircle it and show it to you where the arrow has come. This is the place where the buy arrow has come, and this will give you a huge profit of 600 point today. 600 point today, one way rally. This is the power of this software. It captures the trade both on the upside as well as the downside, and that too, downside trades are being captured at the top and upside trades are captured on the bottom. See the RBL trade, again a reverse star signal has come and the trade is captured and it is making a big profit. It is as good as about 20,000 on this trade. Berger Pant, see is a very strong script, and this Berger Pant is a very strong script, and the sell signal has come right at 9:15 and it is giving a huge profit. See the circle here, huge profit it is giving till the end. Then is your Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank also buy, see the buy signal here at the star and then a further buy arrow, and it is giving a huge profit. And the DLF buy, again see this DLF buy arrow is here and it is giving a huge profit. Just style short trade, see that at the top, right at the top, short sell signal which is giving a profit of about 20,000 or so. Likewise you have got your Hindustan Lever, again a very strong script, but then on profit booking it is giving a sell signal which is at the highest point, almost at the highest point, and you get a profit of almost about 15,000 in this trade also. IndusInd Bank buy, it is giving a huge profit. See the buy signal here and it is giving a huge profit. Voltas, another big profitable trade. See the Voltas profit trade here. See the arrow. I'll take you to this also. See the arrow here, buy signal, huge profit, about 20,000 profit here in Voltas. Again a strong script, TCS, and sell signal here, and it is giving a huge profit. So by this time it is already made a profit. These trades which are giving a profit of almost about 50,000 and more, and by the end of the day it will be almost about 1 lakh of rupees. See India Bull Housing, the reverse trade signal has come here, star, and it is giving again a huge profit. Reverse trade here and it is giving a huge profit. IGL is giving a very good profit. See here IGL was in the news today and it is giving a huge profit. So like this setup is for high profit and low risk setup, and automatically you get signals, automatically you can select the trade which is meeting our trading rules. This is how useful this software is. One stop solution to all your financial problem, and that too sitting at your house, comfort of your house, and only few hours, just few hours trading, and you are making a huge profit every day. Every day it is giving huge profit. I hope you like it. Please do like it, subscribe it, and share it with your friends. And if you have any query, you can call me on my mobile number 9983888852 or 90010011722. And even if required, you can see it in the real time when the markets are on, say around 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Whenever you feel like, you can call and see the real time running of the scanner and the chart. Thank you very much.